Hello all. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. So let's do today's work. Today's topic is a new topic. We will try to play with words and letters, okay? Today's topic is investigate English word length. So the thing is, let's see, what is the distribution of word word length in English word dictionary. Okay, so let's try to do that with our Python tools. So the thing is, first of all, we need a dictionary to play with. I prepared the link in the description box below to the dictionary, which you can download. Okay, you know how to download from GitHub. I hope you know it. Just try to find a way to download the text file from my GitHub and then it will be stored in the download folder. So from there, okay, let's see. It's like this, okay? It's ingword.txt. So open your Colab, place, say, new box here, say English words. English words. Topic is English words. If you want, you can enlarge it by placing two or three sharp pound signs, okay? And then the thing is, open here for Google Colab folder, and then place in the local say download folder or documents folder in my case, drag it. Just drag it and paste it in the folder, in the Colab uh, folder here, ignoring the warning. Okay, here now we see ingword dic.txt uploaded to the Colab. Okay, now you can close it. So, how we can make use of it? So, open the dictionary, and put words into a list, dic_l. So, to open a file here, what we need is standard file read um, way. So, just in case we want to ingworddic.txt. That's the file name. This is the way to open a file. And in read, R for read format as F. This is a standard way to read file. And then let's put directly into list, like F dot read, and also split line z. Well, this will input all the words in the text file. Let's see how many are there. And also let's see the first and last five words. Print dic_l, the first five words, and then print dic_l, last five words. You remember how to do that? This is the way to print the length of words. Okay, let's put it in another box here. So anyway, we can run this box. Oh, sorry. Ing, only I misspelled it. Okay, ing word. Okay, now we have it. So we can close it. And we can print out dic_l. This is amazing. Dic_l, okay. So it seems there are 118,607 words in it. The first five words are like this. Seems they're in a, yeah, alphabetical order. Yeah, this is the only exception. the upper I, and then lower A starting words from AA in a dictionary order. And last five words are Z something, ending up with ZY mergy. Okay, Zymadi. Fine. So now we don't need this anymore. So now we have read all the words in the dictionary, counting with plain dictionary key. So usually what we do want? We want to tally counts by word length. So we want to see how many words are length of 3, length of 5, something like that. So the standard way to do that is to to pick up all the words in the list, count the letters in it, and do voting for the number of letters. Okay? To do that, one way is using plain dictionary data type. But that's kind of tedious because it needs initialization. So one way to avoid that is usually use default dict uh, module, default dict function from collections module. So just let us do this. Okay, so we make new boxes here, do import import collect no sorry from collections import default dict default dict. Okay, this is the way to use default dict. So now easiest way is define default dict d as integers because we want to count the number of length. I mean voting of word length. And for word in dict L, do the counting like D and length of that word counting up by 1. This is all. Okay? This is all to find the dictionary. So let's, anyway, do this. It finishes in less than 1 second, of course. So let's see what it looks like. Can you see it? Yeah, it's a kind of a very long word. So it's a dictionary saying that there are two words of length 1. There are 16,623 words of length 8, 550 for 9, 7, something like this. So it's quite yeah, arbitrary order. So one way to see it, yeah, okay, well, this is what we did. Setup is D is dictionary equals dictionary int, and then tally vote by this one. Okay, so let's plot the results with matplotlib to visualize the histogram, okay? So how can we do that? Create X and Y arrays. So we used matplotlib several times and saw that it's very easy to draw graphs. So again, let's try that. So as usual, we do import matplotlib matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. As I said, this is the standard way. And then we do X and Y. So X is anything. Uh, anything for, maybe we don't need the length of 1. So let's start from 3, for example. Let's see, 3, 2. What is the longest word? We can look it up, but most of them are like 200 something. So let's go as far as 24. for example. Okay, so we'll see the range of 3 to 24, and then YL, y-axis is, yeah, just the same. As usual, list comprehension of dict x for x in XL. This is all, okay? And let's see, plot, plt dot, um, say plot. Let's see what happens here. XL, XL, and YL. And plt dot show. Let's see what it looks like. Let's run it. Okay, this is a very simple histogram of distribution. So going up, like the top here is 15,000 words, length 8 or 9, and then going down. Quite easy. There are some variations. For example, if you use this one, this might be interesting. O minus, okay? By writing the third argument as O minus. This will plot circles at each point and also connecting them by lines, okay? This is another way to see the histogram from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the letters, words with length of 8 and 9 has almost a tie number of words. And then going down up to 24. Okay, of course you can go much longer, but this is fine. Let me show one more variation. We can also draw a bar chart instead of line chart. So here, for example, instead of using this, we can draw bar, and we don't need the third parameter. And this will draw another type of histogram, which this might be a little familiar for you. So histogram. You might want to set title, plt dot title, say word, English, word, length, distribution, something like that. So this English word length distribution, something like that. Okay, so today we've seen how to make a histogram, how to do the tally of word length, and also, yeah, the first thing was how to read the dictionary, how to do the voting, and how to visualize the histogram using line graph and also bar graph. Okay, we will do another tasks next time. So be sure to come back. Bye bye.